Tutorial Altair Copy Trading. In this guide, we're going to show you how you can copy trade an existing fund. To do so, as an example, we're going to create a new fund and then we're going to make a second one and copy trade the original one in it. First of all, you're going to go into our website and click on the Altair platform. Then you're going to select on the top menu Funds, accept the disclaimer, and enter into the main menu. Here you're going to click on Create a New Fund, where a pop-up will appear, and you're going to enter the desired name and symbol for the new fund. After the fund is created, you will see it in the menu, and then you can click and open the fund to manage its composition. By clicking on Manage this fund, you're going to be able to select the tokens and the percentage of each token to create the specific composition of the fund. After that, you're going to be able, of course, also to select how much you want to invest, and the available balance on your wallet will appear on the window as well. Now, by going back to the main menu, you will see the new fund and you will see the amount that you have invested in the new fund. Copy trading. You're going to go in and create a new fund. You can select the name of the fund and the symbol like you did before. For clarity, we're going to use the word copy in front of the name to separate it from the one that we created before. Same as for the symbol. Once we have created the fund, we're going to enter and manage the fund. We're going to go down and select Enable Copy Trading. By going to do so, we're going to be allowed to also select the fund that we want to copy trade. And now the composition of this fund is going to follow exactly the same composition in terms of tokens and percentages of the original one. Of course, we're then going to be able to select the amount we want to invest on this fund that we have copy traded from the original one, and then on the top menu we're going to see the amount of money and shares we own on this fund. Going back to the main menu, we're going to see the original fund, the one that we copy traded, and we see how the percentages of tokens are matching. Now, if we want to go into the first one and make some changes, either us or the original manager, for example, just simply changing the percentages of each of the token, basically rebalancing, we're going to do that and then click on rebalance. Now, as you can see, the composition has changed based on the new rebalance percentages. We're going to go back into the main menu. We're going to see that the original one has changed as we selected it, but the one that was copy traded is still the old one. So we have to go manually in, click in Manage this fund, and manually select the option to rebalance. And by doing so, then the fund actually is going to automatically rebalance following the new percentages of the original fund. Going back to the main menu, we can see how then at this point the copy traded fund follows the same composition and percentages as the original one. Now, there's also a scenario where the one that we have copy traded, we might want to disconnect from the original one. So we can go and click disable copy trading. At that point, that new fund is totally separate, and we can go in and select new tokens, get rid of some, change the percentages of each token totally independently from the original fund that we copy traded. The two funds are not connected anymore. We can set the new composition, and then we can go back into the main menu and see how the new fund now is totally different as the original one.